I'm Shubha Narayan, and we have with us now Mr. UK Limaye, who is the President, Foundry Walchand Nagar Industries Limited, located in Maharashtra. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
Fine.
All right, welcome to IFEX 2012 and welcome to the Pavilion of Forest Polymers. So how did you find the IFEX this year?
Good.
Okay, and how do you like our pavilion architecture in general?
Definitely it's much better than earlier congresses.
All right.
I mean the seating arrangement is extremely good.
All right, thank you. Tell us a little bit about your organization.
See, we are a foundry located in Maharashtra where we produce large size hand molded castings in a weight range of 1 ton to 12 tons single piece, and we have a monthly production of 600 tons a month, catering to a variety of engineering industries. All these are hand molded large size castings, and we concentrate on mostly cast iron, alloyed cast iron, and a certain portion of ductile iron.
All right. Tell us how has your journey been so far in the foundry industry?
Journey has been quite exciting because the foundry industry is susceptible for ups and downs. There are days when you have no work. There are days when people chase you more than what you can do. Foundry has never been a steady business. It goes through a recessionary period and then again
Picks up. All right. Now, any industry, like you said, has its own set of challenges. What, according to you, are some of the major challenges in front of the foundry industry in India today?
Essentially, power is a big concern, both cost and quality.
Okay.
And then labor is also a concern. It's becoming increasingly difficult to attract labor for an industry which is not very environmentally friendly. And there are issues of...
Why would you say not environmentally friendly?
In the sense, the work atmosphere in a typical foundry is always with heat and dust. So to get laborers to work with temperatures of 1400, 1500, 1600 degrees centigrade close to it is not an easy task.
The 3Ds, that's what they say, the 3Ds, right? Dark, dusty and dirty?
Yeah, I won't say dark, but at least dusty and hot.
Okay. So now tell us, having spoken about the challenges, tell us how your company comes up with strategies to tackle these challenges.
Essentially, we are trying to take care of the working conditions.
Right. Now, how long have you been associated with Forest Polymers as your supplier?
Quite a long period, apart from Walchand Nagar, in other other industries wherever I have worked, maybe for last 25 years or so.
And what are the components or parts that you sourced from them, or are you sourcing?
Essentially, a few times we have tried resins.
All right. Now, so tell us what, according to you, are the future trends in this industry?
Future trends will be, there could be emphasis on greater automation in different areas, and a greater need for environmental pollution control issues. Pollution control equipment are going to be needed in a big way.
Right. What is your take on sand reclamation?
Sand reclamation, presently we are reclaiming sand. We have a reclamation plant. So the fresh sand addition we are using is not more than 10 to 15%. So we are recycling the sand fully.
Is there a sand shortage? Would you say there is a huge sand shortage? Or?
No, there is no sand shortage, but over a period, availability of sand is also going to become a concern with environmental issues, degradation of the river basins and things like that, it is going to become an issue.
Okay, okay. Now tell us one last question, Mr. LeMay. 5 years from now, what sort of changes do you perceive in the Indian foundry industry?
Definitely there will be greater automation, capacities will go up remarkably, and perhaps we may catch up with China when it comes to the overall quantity that is being produced. Definitely. Definitely. I mean, they are far ahead. Essentially, in almost all variety of castings, they are much ahead of us.
Okay, well, thanks so much for your time. We really appreciate you coming and talking to us and enlightening us with all that information. We wish you a great day here at the event. Thanks again.
Thank you.